Hey all, Dave Hubblebub here. Got an unboxing video today. Did a pre-order for the Wolfram O-Series amplifier. Boy, I think I ordered this thing last April or May, something, God knows how long ago. So it came in today. I got the O-5000.1. Ooh, all the way from the China. There you go. So let's open her up. I already cut the tape just to make sure there's, I already cut the tape. So here we go. Here's our owner's manual. Got all your specifications. That's what I got. Here's your 2400 and the 8000. All monstrous amplifiers. Look at these things. There's the power hookups. There we go. And there it is. Over here, we got our bass knob wire. Is that the phone jack type? There you go. Over here we got our bass knob. Seems to be pretty good. Clip indicator, power. Seems to roll pretty nicely. And there it is, boys and girls. Oh, the Wolfram. Not a very big amplifier. I've got a CT Sounds 1500.1, the T series, and it's this is definitely wider than that one. It's much shorter than that one, but hoping the build quality is better. So, dual inputs all around. Let's grab the suicide kit to open this up. There we go. And here we go. Dual inputs, one fan, looks like an exhaust side. There's all your single input. I haven't had that before. I've always had the dual input. And the single out, clip indicator, protection. Yeah, it is a full range amplifier. So there it is, boys and girls. Hope to get a few minutes over the Christmas holiday. Maybe I can wire it up. So